Hello my dear friends, welcome back. Today's recipe is a very delicious prawn biryani. Who can ever resist the temptation of this one pot meal? Biryani is one such dish loved by one and all. You can make it with different variations, sometimes prawn, chicken or even vegetarian version. Everything come out so good, flavorful, awesome with the spices and the masalas added to it. So let's get started and make this prawn biryani today. Biryani is such a highly aromatic and flavorful one-pot meal. It's loved by one and all. It's a perfect treat for the weekend. So make biryanis of different kinds each time. Today's recipe is a prawn biryani. So irresistible. You can just pair it with simple raita, any raita of your choice, and enjoy. Ingredients list is also shared in the description box. You can check it out. Now let's begin. First we are going to grind the masala. In a mixer grinder, add some mint leaves, handful of them. Same quantity of coriander leaves. 1 or 2 green chillies, but I'm adding only one. These are very spicy. One I'm keeping for the biryani. And here we have some garlic cloves and ginger. Add them to the masala. And next goes in the birista or the fried onions. Handful of them again. And about 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Nice and thick yogurt. We are going to blend this to a coarser texture. Look at this. Little coarser than the chutney. Now transfer the cleaned prawns into a larger bowl for marination. These are cleaned and deveined. Wash them thoroughly. Now the spice powders. Here we have taken salt, cumin powder, coriander powder, red chilli powder, garam masala powder, turmeric powder and biryani masala. All these go into the prawns. Now add the ground masala paste. All these together will give amazing flavors. Just mix everything well and set it aside in the refrigerator for marination. At least for 2 hours, or you can even keep it for 4 to 5 hours if you have enough time. Cover the dish very well so that the flavors don't escape. Keep it sealed. Now heat oil in a pan. Here I am adding olive oil. You can add any oil of your choice. Add the marinated prawns. Now spread them with a ladle and cover the lid. Simmer them a bit. In between, open and saute them. This way, continue cooking for some time because we have to cook the prawns until they are 3/4 done. You can see now the oil has started separating. Prawns don't take a very long time to cook. Add some water to the bowl and remove all the masala stuck to it. Add it to the prawns. We are not going to add any more water, just this little bit. Cover and reduce the flame now. Let them simmer. While they are simmering, we will cook the rice. Keep the water for boiling. Wash and soak the basmati rice as required. Now in this boiling water, add the whole spices, green chillies. Here I am adding bay leaves, cinnamon, cloves and black cardamoms. Add some mint leaves. The boiling water gets the flavor of all these. Add salt to taste. Now dip in the soaked basmati rice. I have soaked them for 1 hour. When you wash and soak the rice, it gets cooked easily and fast. Mix it gently and let the rice boil. In between, keep stirring and checking the texture because we have to cook them until they are 3/4 done. Meanwhile, other side, let's check the prawns. They are almost done. Now we will increase the flame and thicken the gravy a bit because the water is too much. It has come out of the prawns. I have not added any more after that little bit of water that we added. Now the rice is done. It's 3/4 done. We'll strain the water. We have to take care that the rice is not overcooked. Prawns also are 3/4 done. You can see the gravy is also thicker now. Now add the rice on top of the prawns and spread it with the ladle. Now we can discard the whole spices. They have done their job. All the flavors are infused into the rice and we don't need them anymore. The dish does not look appetizing with all these. I have removed the bay leaves and cinnamon stick. You can leave the cloves and cardamoms. Now time to garnish the biryani. Add some mint and coriander leaves. And here we have saffron infused milk. Pour it over in different places, spreading it all around. Some birista on top, which is fried onions. Lovely. And here goes some Desi ghee or clarified butter. This will give amazing flavors to the biryani. 1 small ladle full I've added, which is about 2 tablespoons. Now cover the pan with the foil paper. Seal it tightly so that the flavors don't escape. Place it on the tawa for dum for 15 minutes. Open the lid after 15 minutes. You can see the aromatic and flavorful biryani. The kitchen is filled with the aroma. And look at the texture. The rice is so nice and grainy. Actually, you can cover the lid again and just leave the biryani for 10 to 15 minutes. Tightly sealed and off the flame. This will enhance the flavors further. The biryani will taste too good. Then you can dish it out and enjoy. Lovely. Flavorful prawn biryani is ready. You can just have a simple raita as an accompaniment. You don't need anything else. It makes a yummylicious combo. So do give it a try, dear friends, and share your feedback. Thank you for watching. Here are some videos from my collection. In case you are new to the channel, you can have a look at them too. Happy cooking. Take care. Bye-bye.